Hello guys, balik tayo sa ating vlog. Shout out ko muna si Ma'am Jasmine Vlog. Ito tayo sa, nanood tayo ng TV. Yung TV natin ay maganda naman, sharp, charot. So, connected siya sa internet. Ginawa ko na lang paraan dahil nasira yung laptop ko. Ito ang laptop ko. Sira yan. Oh. Yun na, makikita ang monitor. Medyo sira na. Anyway, connected to this TV was connected to my laptop dahil cause my laptop has a small screen. That's a huge okay. Sira talaga. Tingnan yung laptop ko. Sira, di ba? So we have to connect ito television. Anyway, shout out to Ma'am Jasmine Vlog. Yan, ipi-play natin siya ng isang magandang isang video niya. Bagong video talaga, latest. Ito yung pagkain natin. So, part 3 na tayo, part 3. So, shout out to Shin Piano Salon. Shout out to Ma'am Honey Vlog. Okay. Honey Pie Vlog pala, si Honey Pie Vlog, shout out ko rin. Shout out to Ma'am Fatima, shout out to Ma'am Bunda Shelvin, shout out to si Living After 50s and bago nating member, ito yung bagong member natin. Shout out din sa bagong member si Drone from Life. Please visit. He's from Germany. Okay, Drone from Life is more on music, rock and roll. You know. Ito si Ma'am Jasmine Vlog. Ito na pictures natin yung kuan niya. Sa yung kuan natin sa TV natin, naka-pictures yan. So, mas maganda to. Makikita talaga yung kuan. Ipopromote natin yung channel niyo. Kitang-kita sa TV. Malaki. Sa cellphone, maliit lang, di ba? So, ito na siya. Habang tayong kumakain, naka-play yan. Si Ma'am Jasmine. Si Ma'am Mua. From Japan yan, ha? Don't forget to subscribe the channel. At bigyan ko kayo ng link sa description. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe Drone for Life. Then, we have this one, Ma'am. Si Pink Lover, don't forget to help and play her videos. Okay. Tapos si Honey Home, yung tayong African mukbanger. Yan. Shout out. Bro, kain mo tayo. Kasi mamo, while eating, it's what's mama's video. Ito masarap. Mangga talaga. Sarap. Ito lang ang gusto ko. Yung soy sauce at saka toyo. May sugar. Kasi yung may asma ko. Hindi ko pwede din sa shrimp, hipon yan. Naka-allergy yung hipon. Mom is very beautiful. Ganda pa ng buhok. Yan. Kunti lang sa hipon. Dahil I have asthma. This is Filipino biscuit with sugar on top. Up. Shout out din tayo mamaya. So si Cubs, yan. Shout out also to Natural. Si Ma'am Shin. Yan. Shout out Ma'am Shin. Tsaka si Fatima. Then, punta tayo sa, let's go to my YT studio. Against the light. So, doon tayo sa nagko-comment, mag-shout out. Yan. Ito yun si agenda. O yan. Ika, may light siya ta. Ayaw ko ng light. Okay na, wala ng light. So, yun ang light. So, everything on the agenda, I think he's from Turkey. Just follow, just check his channel and my comment section sa mga video like this. Shout out to my nanito siya sa video ng shout out to all my YouTube friends who nakita namin yung kuan, meron tayong cover yun. Ito talaga kuan. Shout out din tayo kay Ma'am Living After 50s. Yan, shout out. What's hour lang ang kulang niya. Okay. Oh, very supportive. Shout out also to Sophie. Yan, si Sophie. YouTubers. Ito na si Ma'am. Oh, yun. Nag-walking pa sila. Walking tour. Kaya mo tayo. Japan is awesome city. Awesome country. Indian ang anak ko sa Japan. She's married to an American teacher and she's also a teacher in Japan. So, siya yung palagi nagbigay ng sponsor pa. Meron tayong pangkabuhayan showcase sa livelihood program sa YouTube. Charot. Sponsor ta. May sponsor si Ma'am Jasmine. Okay. Please don't forget to visit Christy Nicola. Off na yung light. Let's off the light. Yan. Gamer. She's a gamer. Okay. Christy Nicola, and then this one. Suklintor and Goods. Shout out. Okay. Next vlog tayo guys.